A rare unanimous decision by the nation's highest court means the plan to move crude oil through Colorado along the Colorado River is getting a boost. The Supreme Court says lower court requirements for more studying of environmental impacts of a plan to build an 88-mile-long rail line in Utah are too much. That rail line would connect to Colorado and would ship crude oil along the Colorado River through Glenwood Canyon and eventually to the Gulf Coast. Your reporter Alan Janae is looking into what this decision means and what's next.
Boy, it's a big one, Michael. It certainly is. The Supreme Court will be sending this decision back down to the Circuit Court of Appeals for another look, overturning its ruling against the building of that railroad in the Uinta Basin in Utah. Now, the court said the rail regulating authority, the Surface Transportation Board, had given enough consideration to environmental issues when it approved that project back in 2021. It's here along the Colorado River that environmental groups in Eagle County made their stand, claiming there's too much risk in allowing 2-mile-long trains carrying crude oil, fearing contamination of the river in accidents.
Hundreds of thousands of barrels a day, and the room for error here could be devastating to Colorado.
Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser, who opposes the idea, notes the court's decision could have meaning in environmental regulation overall.
That could affect quite a few things, not just this issue.
This decision promises broader impacts that mean environmental concerns are potentially going to be ignored.
It revolves around the National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA. Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh said in his opinion the goal of the law is to inform agency decision-making, not to paralyze it. Attorney Jonathan Sturmer represents 7 counties in Utah that want to build the railroad there to connect to Colorado.
They definitely told the circuit courts to, hey, you need to knock this off. But it was all based off of Supreme Court decisions that have been going on for quite some time.
He said they felt the lower court had asked for information from the rail board that's not yet determined.
So we felt like it was definitely premature for a lot of different reasons to try and task the Surface Transportation Board, which issues permits on railways, to have to do all of that exercise when none of those decisions had been made yet.
Sturmer added that the type of oil, waxy crude, is more of a solid at ambient temperatures, and accidents would mean less flowing oil.
I think that's a nonsensical argument. This project would facilitate millions of gallons of waxy crude oil being transferred across Colorado through the Rocky Mountains on 2-mile trains and within a stone's throw of the Colorado River.
Nate Hunt represents Eagle County opposing the project, and in spite of the defeat, says the court left a lot of what was ruled on by the appeals court intact.
So the counties have a long uphill battle before they start sending oil trains through Colorado.
One Justice, Neil Gorsuch of Colorado, recused himself. He had ties to the project in the past. This decision now means that in about a month, it goes back down to the circuit court for another look. And Eagle County's attorney you just heard from there says there are still issues like the effects of derailment and the risk of wildfires to be looked at. We'll keep track.
I was going to say, certainly not the last we've heard of this. Alan, thank you.